Alrighty guys, so jumping straight in, I am in my scarf right now, wigless, hairless, giving you full ratchet runway vibes, but I'm actually feeling it. Like, this with the makeup is kind of a look. Y'all think so too, or no? So today's video is coming courtesy of Mychicwigs. They sent me over one of their wigs to try, and this is the packaging that it came in. Real nice, real black, real sleek or whatever. When I opened it up, it had a couple things in there. They gave me some wig caps, some clips, and some elastic bands, and this really handy comb, because I'm always losing combs out of all things, so this is gonna come in handy. This is the hair they sent me. This is just their straight bob lace wig in 16 inches. It comes with 2 combs on the side right there, and then that 1 comb right there in that super weird spot that all wigs have, and then a comb in the back and adjustable straps. Wait a minute, where are you? Yeah, adjustable straps. It has some lace in the back right here, as you can see, and it has some lace in the front. It is a full lace front, but I already cut it off, so yeah. But the lace back here is good for when you want to pull it up and wear it in a little bun or a little short ponytail, you know, whatever floats your boat. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put this thing on my head. So this is what it looks like straight out the pack. It's actually not that bad. I could tell that I'm really gonna like it. Like the length, and like I know these curls weren't like super on purpose, but the way these curls are laying gives me real 2000s vibes, you know? So before we get into anything else, I just want to let y'all know that I did not do my regular customizing and stuff with this wig. I didn't bleach the knots, I didn't pluck the frontal or anything like that, just because we are cutting bangs into it, so it's gonna cover, you know, all this right here, so you're not gonna be able to see the frontal anyway. So I just didn't want to waste my time and didn't want to waste my products, because you know, stuff be expensive nowadays. So yeah, but even without not plucking the frontal, it still doesn't look bad to me. Like, as you can see, it still looks pretty good. I feel so 2000s with this hair, like for real. But yeah, like the frontal still looks pretty nice even without me plucking, so I know that if I were to go back behind it, it would look like it was growing out of my scalp, you feel me? So before we get into cutting the bangs or anything, I'm just gonna flatten this down right here, because you know, that's just really bothering me. So what I'm going to be using right now is my rat tail comb, and I was going to use the one that they sent me, but I like that mine has a little metal tip on it. It just makes it easier to part. So it's easier to do this when you already have a middle part. So if you have like a side part or a free part or anything, just go ahead and slice that hole down the middle. So I'm just going to take my comb, put it in the part, and then turn it like this. And the farther you go back, you know, so like say I was to go back here, the more heavier your bangs are gonna be. And I'm not going for like a real blunt heavy bang look. I want like wispy bangs, so I'm not gonna take a lot of hair. I'm just gonna take maybe about this much, I want to say, and if I need more, then I can just pull it out. It's kind of like diagonal, if y'all can see that. So I'm just gonna go right here again, but on the other side, and I'm going to make an identical part. So now we're done sectioning the hair out, and I know I said I wanted wispy bangs, but this isn't even enough to actually be wispy. It isn't enough to be anything. So I'm just going to keep making those same, I think that's diagonal, horizontal, diagonal. I'm just gonna keep on making those same diagonal parts until I get the amount of hair that I want. think this is all I'm gonna take. I'm trying to decide if I want to do more or not. No, this is okay. So I'm just gonna take my hot comb and brush the hair down just like this, and this is gonna force it to lay flat like that. So I'm gonna take it, make sure I got all the hair in there, and I'm gonna twist it super tight. And I'm going to cut straight along here. So I'm just gonna keep twisting and cutting until I get the length that I want. This is a nice little length, but I just want like a few little millimeters off because it is in my eyes right now. So I'm going to take my little razor comb and I'm just gonna get like the ends off, like just the ends. That don't want to cooperate, so I'm just gonna keep working with this until it actually lays flat. So the bangs are all done. This is how they're looking. They're not too full, but they're not too thick at the same time, and this is like exactly like how I like them. So now we're just gonna take down the rest of the hair. Y'all cannot tell me this is not giving y'all 90s vibes, early 2000s vibes. Like, come on. Okay guys, so I'm done styling. I didn't do much to it because I was already feeling it, and because, you know, it's 4 o'clock in the morning. I'm trying to go to sleep. But yeah, that is all for today's video. That is how I do my shebangs. Super quick and super simple. Of course, shout out to Mychicwigs for sending over this hair. I don't know if I've actually like said it out loud, but I love this wig. Like love this wig. First of all, it's super soft. Like I just been running my hands through it since I got it. And second, I feel like it looks like it can maybe quite possibly kinda be my hair, you know? Like I like wigs that make people think twice, like is that your hair or not, you know? So shout out to them because this wig is that girl, okay? Of course, as always, I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, don't forget to go ahead and leave your girl a like and a comment, and then go ahead and share and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.